Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's UPSC Toppers Answer Copy Analysis, we are going to see All India Rank 1 UPSC 2024 Toppers Answer Copy, Shakti Dubey. So let's go into the question which has been asked here. Emotional intelligence empowers public servants to skillfully manage interpersonal dynamics, thus ensuring or fostering a cohesive work culture. Discuss. So overall, in this particular question, they are majorly asking about a single component only in the question. And this particular question is a 10 marker question for which will be given 2 pages to address it. And this topper has utilized the space management in a better manner. And this particular question is pertaining to GS paper 4 component of ethics syllabus in section A component. In section A component, this is picked from the theory component of our syllabus. So let's go into the introduction. This topper has started the introduction with a quote, and this is going to add more value and eye-catching moment for the examiner. So not only that, this has been followed by the additional explanation also. So overall, the introduction has been written in a very creative and beautiful manner, followed by the body of the answer. And the body of the answer, here this topper is trying to bring in subheading come point-wise approach. And she has written almost 7 points, and she has used keywords which she has underlined. Not only that, she has also used examples for almost all the points. And if you look at the conclusion, it's again short and crisp to the point for 3 lines. Let's now go into the marking pattern. If you look at the introduction, as I said already, this quote itself will carry half a mark extra. And if you look at the introduction, this topper is trying to bring in the definition for emotional intelligence, for which she will be getting 1 mark extra for this particular component. Let's go into the body of the answer. As I said already, the body of the answer, she has brought in almost 7 points, for which she will be getting half a mark easily for each of the point, because she has used keywords in most of her the points which she has written. Not only that, for each of the points she has came out with varieties of examples. This example itself, she has used a lot of administrators, industrialists, and even examples from current affairs. This is something which we need to learn. When we are keeping writing ethics answers, we need to learn what are the various kinds of examples which can be done. So if you look at this All India Rank 1 Shakti Dubey, she has been repeatedly using varieties of examples, varieties of diagrams. All these dimensions, if we also incorporate in our answer, we can also fetch one of the highest mark in ethics. So overall, for writing the examples only in a varied manner, she will be getting extra 1 mark for this value addition component. So overall, if you look at the conclusion, thus emotional intelligence help fosters not just a cooperative but also innovative work culture. She is trying to summarize it, for which she will be getting half a mark. So overall, for the introduction component, half a mark, conclusion half a mark, so 1 mark she got. And for this definitional component, 1 mark extra. So overall 2 marks came here. And if you look at the body of the answer, she got 4.5 marks. So she has got 6.5 mark out of 10 mark, and I would say this is going to be one of the highest mark which we can fetch, especially in the theory component of ethics syllabus. And what are some of the important learnings from this particular topper is introducing quotes based answers in our ethics is going to be very crucial, because these are some of the creativity which many people won't be doing. Not only that, introducing current affairs as examples and introducing various administrators and various other industrial personalities in our answers will also attract the examiner to award more marks. If you look at her real marks in UPSC mains exam as well, she has got out of 250, 141 marks, which is going to be one of the highest marks in India. So some of the important learnings from today's video is structure of the answer is something most of the toppers are doing. And introduction and conclusion, we should try to come out with creativity. Here this topper has come out with creatively, including quote in the introduction itself. The body of the answer is concerned, subheading come point-based approach is important. Wherever possible, if we could include quotes also, it is going to be attractive. The example is concerned, we should try to bring in examples from current affairs. We should bring in examples from various administrators and industrialists, and even we can also quote examples from personal life also. Our personal life examples we can include from school level and then college level, and if you have worked also, you can include from your work atmosphere also. So all these things, if we include in our ethics answer, that will add value and we can fetch maximum marks in our ethics theory component. For more such inputs regarding or feedbacks regarding UPSC Toppers Answer Copy Analysis, you can follow and subscribe our channel. Thank you, students.